Hello everyone! Welcome to Zepl's how-to video series. In this video, we are going to talk about inline interpreter configuration. Inline interpreter configuration allows you to set properties specific to a notebook without having to change the underlying platform configurations. This allows our users to have additional flexibilities when working with notebooks. In this example, we can see that the default configuration for the Python notebook is the version 2.7.15. Now we want to change to the version to Python 3. By doing so, we have to stop the container first. Now I can use python.config interpreter and choose the key value pair to be zeppelin.python equals to Python 3. Now I can see that the Python version is 3.6.5. Now let's look at an example in Spark. I can use Spark context git config git all to get all the configurations specific to the Spark context. From here, I can see that zeppelin.spark.concurrent_SQL is set to false. I want to turn this property on to execute multiple SQL queries concurrently. First, I need to shut down the container again. And then I can use the Spark config interpreter and set zeppelin.spark.concurrent_SQL to true. Now I can see the property is now changed to true, and I can start running concurrent queries. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.